Hey, we're checking in from Cruisin the Coast 2023. We're in the Mississippi Gulf Coast. Just sending a few brief little snippets of things that are really cool that we see along the way. And then earlier this evening, before it got dark, we saw the coolest thing. It was a 1918 Model T Ford, and the thing was clicking along. We saw it and we pulled over and we're like, oh my goodness, no, we don't have to run him down. And so we ran this poor guy down and he didn't mind at all. We just rode alongside him for a little bit. 1918 Model T. Check this out.
It's on you. I want to jump. I want to lead. That's awesome. What year?
18.
That's awesome.
1918. Turn right here. I like the car.
Thank you. You too. That's amazing. That's amazing.
Isn't that the coolest thing? So we also saw a 1911 Model T that was rolling along, and it had white tires. That thing was immaculate. It was unbelievable, but we didn't get a video of that one. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that. So we'll check in again with more things as we run across them. But until I see you next time, see you.